Hello everyone. Today we are checking out the new Magento 2 multi-vendor GST tax extension, your ultimate GST management solution. Configure GSTIN, set HSN codes, upload GST rate CSV files, and calculate SGST, CGST, IGST, or UTGST based on regions. Effortlessly display GST details in carts, invoices, emails, and PDFs. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, you can visit store.webcool.com and explore a number of products for every technology. We also have user guides for these extensions in our blog sections where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now, let's move back to our video. To demonstrate its workflow, I will navigate to the Magento admin panel and log in as the admin. Now we are on the dashboard page. Click on Stores and then Configuration. On the Configuration page, look for Marketplace GST and click on it. On the GST configuration page, you will see an Enabled field. You can select Yes or No to enable or disable the module. The admin can enter the GSTIN for their products and select the production state. Admin can choose whether to display the catalog product prices excluding GST or including GST. Excluding GST means the product prices do not contain the GST amount, but will be added separately in the subtotal. Including GST means product prices already contain the GST amount, and it will not be added separately in the subtotal. Admin can select Display Inclusive Exclusive Info as Yes or No to enable or disable the Inclusive-Exclusive option on the front end. Admin can enter the default tax slabs, such as 5%, 12%, 18%, and 28%. Admin can also add GST rates as needed. These rates will display on the product pages for both admin and seller. Now, I will show you how to add GST rates to the product page. For this, navigate to Catalog, then Products. At the Product Add page, click on Add Product, then choose Simple Product. Here, we need to add the product name, SKU, price, tax class, and quantity, then choose the stock status as either in stock or out of stock. We can also add the weight or select the option indicating whether the product has weight or not. Next, we can select the categories in which the admin wants to assign the product. Now, we are going to check the GST rating. So, click on it. We can see the default rates added by the admin displayed here. We can select the rates according to the product. We can enter the HSN code. I have already created a product, so I will select the GST rate for that product. For the Joust duffel bag, select the GST rate and add the HSN code. We can add the HSN code accordingly and select the GST rate in percentage. I have selected 12% for now and clicked on Save. Next, navigate to the front end to check for the applicable GST rates. On the product page, click on Add to Cart. Then, click on View and Edit Cart. We can now check the applicable GST rates. We have to select India as the country, then select the state, and enter the zip code. Now, we can see the GST rates displayed as per the selected tax rate. For example, 34 multiplied by 12 and divided by 100 equals 4.08. We can click on the drop-down and check if a particular GST rate is applicable to this product. Since the production state and the customer state are the same, it shows SGST and CGST. If the production state is different, like Maharashtra, IGST will be added to the product. So, I will proceed to check out and place the order. We can add the GSTIN here. I will add some sample GST, then click on Next. Select the payment method. We can also see the GST on the order summary. Now click on the Place Order button. Then, click on the Order ID, and here we can see the details on the Order Detail page. You can see that the respective GST rates are showing as SGST 6% and CGST 6%. IGST is 0%, and UTGST is also 0% because both the customer and the admin are from the same state. We can see the subtotal details in the GST added here. We can also see the grand total. Now, I will show you the GST details when the customer and the admin are in different states. For this, I have already placed an order with a different state. Click on View Order. In the order detail, you can see that if the customer has selected a different state from the admin, then IGST will be shown. Here, it is showing 12%. All the GST will be shown as IGST. You can see the order details. Next, I will show you if the admin has selected the Display Inclusive Exclusive Info as No. Then the fields will be disabled from both the admin and front end. Refresh the order page. Now we can see that the Excluding GST option has been disabled, and it is now showing the applicable GST. We can also see the GST details on the admin side. For this, navigate to the Magento admin panel. Click on Sales, then Orders. Click on View for the respective order. Scroll down, and we can see the GST details on the admin end. Now, I will show you how to select GST from the seller end, so we will navigate to the Seller panel. On the Seller dashboard, check for GST configuration and click on it. Enter the GSTIN and select the production state of the seller. I am selecting a random state. Then save the configuration. Both the seller and admin can mass update products through a CSV file. They need to download the sample CSV file, edit the CSV file to enter the product ID, GST percentage, and HSN code, and then upload it. Admin can also mass update products using the CSV file. Now, I will show you how the admin will mass update products. For this, navigate to the Magento admin panel, then go to Marketplace Management and click on Mass Update GST. The admin can upload a CSV file with the product ID, GST percentage, and HSN code. The GST will be updated on the products. Next, we can see that the admin has already updated the product GST. Now, I will show you how to select tax rates on the Seller Product Edit page. For this, we will navigate to the Seller panel. Click on Products, then My Product List. Select any product. I will select the Sprite Foam Yoga Brick and click on Edit. Scroll down and check for the GST rate field. We can select the GST rate. I will select 5% and add the HSN code, then click on Save. You can place the order and see the GST details. Click on Add to Cart. Here, we will select states that are the same as the seller's production state. You can see the GST details showing 5% of 5,000, which adds 250. You can see the details. Since the product's production state and the customer's state are the same, it shows SGST and CGST. If the production state is different, then it will show IGST here too. It is showing the IGST as 250. We can proceed to checkout and see the details, same as we have shown you for the admin. By selecting Catalog Product Prices as including GST, we will configure it accordingly. Save the configuration and navigate to Content. Now, the prices are showing as including GST, so it will not be added on the Payment and Order Detail page. Click on Proceed to Checkout. Select the address and click on Next. Select the billing address as the shipping address. Now, you can see that the GST is already included in the subtotal, so it is not added to the grand total. Click on Place Order. Now we can see that the order has been placed. Since the GST is already included in the product price, it is not added separately. And that's all about the functionality of this module. I hope you like it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webcol.com or raise a ticket at webcol.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.